I'm Manny, and I work for the Splat podcast. And what that means is...
Whoops.
It's more than just laugh, really. I help co-host, I help write, compile ideas with all of us in the group, featuring Alex, Kat, Kylie, Jordy, and it's been so much fun. I also help edit reels and post those. I do the mini episodes while Kat does the main episodes. I also help out with extended research, which means we stay on topic on any show that we're doing. I mean, I'm really not lying. And this right here is a spare bedroom in my house, which is my podcasting studio. The earlier days when I used to be on, I didn't have all this fancy equipment. I just used a lamp, and my little Buddha friend helped me out too. Right over here, all I used was a backlight just to sort of make it look a little moodier, a little bit of subdued lighting. And I feel like that adds a nice special touch, which started here in season 7. And what I do to edit reels is, I get the raw footage, I cut each of it together, and then I add the effects on top. And then put those out every other day, so that way we could get some more traction on social media. And that's pretty much what I do, and it's been the best. It's been so much fun doing this, and I can't wait to do more. And expect some more excitement this season on Splat Attack. Thanks for watching. Splat you later.